The first edition of Camper Van Fest took place from the 1st to the 4th of September 2022, close to the city of Rysnov, county of Brasov, in Transylvania. It was the first zero-energy van life and outdoor festival in Romania, attended by more than 200 vans, campers and trucks. The festival was mainly dedicated to the members of our ever-growing van life community and, in the spirit of education and furthering our knowledge of van building, was packed with daily workshops such as how to set up one's off-grid solar with Victron, van recovery and mechanics with GTC Auto, homemade charcuterie recipes with Grill Expert, daily kids activities with Sportyland, and many, many more. Alongside these activities, we had a total of 50 prizes that participants took home, be it in raffles, Q&As or during workshops with one of our partners, like Darkom Energy, Motul, GPS OK, CarPath or Roots Travel. Our van life and van building community came into existence on the 20th of March 2019, from the obvious need to bring together people with similar ideas and curiosities about DIY vans. After a very exciting first year of existence, the idea for a bigger get-together started to take shape. Our Facebook group, Campervan Romania, was then closing in to 1,500 people, talking about thermal insulation, sizing up wires for the electrical system, fitting windows, and so on. However, as we all know, 2020 was a very complicated year, and, regardless of our level of enthusiasm, the first campervan meet had to be put on hold. Well, after more than 2 years of delaying the inevitable and many drives to find the perfect spot, we got a 20-acre plot of land from the Rysnov City Hall, which ticked all our boxes. Naturally, the spot had no amenities such as water, sewage system, or electricity, so we built the entire campervan village in less than 72 hours using an amazing resource, a state-of-the-art 30 kWh trailer with 22 solar panels built and operated by Victron Energy. This was our sole energy source for the central area of the festival, the evening lights, the floodlights, the movie projectors, the music system, the workshop amps, and everything else that needed to be plugged in at the festival. As such, we're proud to say that the festival and workshops were fully electrified exclusively from renewable sources. From the first time we had the idea of a meetup to the 2022 festival, our community grew more than 5 times, reaching close to 10,000 members. As a result, Campervan Fest was attended by more than 200 trucks, campers, vans, and microcampers from 5 countries. Being our first edition and a long-standing dream, the number of people attending and the variety of living setups was a delight to analyze. What wasn't so easy to do in exchange was to park everyone comfortably and securely, and for this task we requested the assistance of our friends at Syscad Solutions. They're a topography company which flew a professional drone, then allocated and marked up all the spots, roads, and tent areas for maximum efficiency. Even if the September weather was quite British, the 600 attendees, volunteers, and partners made the best of the 4 days together. The evenings were sprinkled with DJ sets, live music, stories from the roads, or travel films that have received prestigious awards in the past. Now, firstly, we have to give a big round of applause and say thanks to the tireless volunteers which made all of this possible, the real unsung heroes of Campervan Fest 2022. Furthermore, we're grateful for the involvement of the Rysnov City Hall and all our sponsors and partners who believed in us, even when this project was just at the drawing board phase. The 2023 edition will take place between the 10th and 15th of August, but places are quite limited. The official ticket selling hasn't yet begun, but in this video's description you'll find the Google form where you can sign up to be notified about the early bird specials and very important festival updates. Not to worry though, there'll be no spam, no sales of any sorts, and no dreadful weekly updates that feel useless. Also, feel free to keep an eye out for new information about the 2023 edition on our Facebook and Instagram accounts, or contact us if you want to become a partner for the second edition. So, until we see each other again, drive safe and don't forget to enjoy life.